If you're getting ready to sell your home, here's what to look for in an agent. Now, respect all the agents out there. The 80-20 rule, yeah, it applies. I've been doing this for over 25 years. The right agent isn't going to try to impress you with a lot of fancy real estate bells and whistles and hooks. Be careful, there are a lot of hooks out there. Or trying to win you over by insisting that you should shoot really, really high when you price your house. It's been going on a long time. It's called buying a listing, and you, in most cases, will lose money. The great listing agent is the one who's open and honest with you. It's that simple. The one who makes everything easy to understand. I have a very simple 1, 2, 3 rule, and it works. A great agent is a pro at explaining market trends and what they mean for you. And keeping it simple is the easy part. I love this business, and I love helping people. And great agents' strategies on how to price and market your house will be based on experience and really, really good data. Imagine that. I use 5 pricing tools to find the sweet spot on pricing any home, so you get your best deal. And of course, all those pricing tools are on video below. Check them out. Sound like the kind of person you might want to work with, and I want to apply for the job of being your agent. Let's see if it's a good fit. Call me anytime. I bring over 20 years experience, and I bring honesty, integrity, and passion. Call me at 855 Mr. Beach, and be sure and check out your home's estimated value. It's fast, it's free, and it's easy. On a site I've had for over 20 years. It's called whatismyhomereallyworth.com.